Di ba?
Hindi mo kaya dalawa?
Kaya niya yan. Kaya nga namin ni Joy eh. Charot. Candidate from Sigay. Ay, Santa Cruz pa pala. Sabay pa tayo, mali naman.
Kaya natin. You will be asked of.
I don't have a choice.
Okay, rest for a while. Well, candidate number.
Ano ka ba? 9:05 na.
Hindi pa siya ready.
Hindi ka pa ba ready?
Yes. Third time is a charm. Fourth time is crown. Oh, yeah.
Fourth time is the winning moment.
True.
If ever, are we gonna see you for the 5th time?
Or the sixth time.
Or the 7th
Or
time?
eighth time.
Or 9th time?
Or 10th time.
Or 11th time? 36 na, sasali pa rin
Yes.
siya.
Sabi niya, why not? Why yes?
Yeah. ay, kainom ka na ba?
Normal pa to.
Normal pa. Siya. Ay, oo nga pala, alis na sila.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry.
Nag-rehearse ba tayo? Heart means everything.
Wow.
And what does mean nothing?
Sabi ko sa iyo, nakainom na si Joy eh.
For supporting me.
Familiar faces. What's her name?
Agad?
He has been seeing a lot of familiar
Coming. And to my boyfriend out there, happy anniversary, love.
Alam ba niya na boyfriend mo siya? Asan ang boyfriend mo?
Asan yung ano na kayo katagal ng boyfriend mo?
2 days pa lang po.
2 days pero may anniversary. Where?
Yes. Why not coconut?
Yes. Why yes?
Why no? Okay.
Overflowing fun.
Overflowing confidence! Hindi naman siya papatay ng napakaraming ostrich, kundi siya confident.
Overflowing feathers din siya tonight. Question.
I should be.
I should be. You should be. Everyone would be. Now pick your question.
Best.
Yes, last fight.
Last bite.
Like Manny Pacquiao. Laging may last fight si
Oo.
Sen Manny, di ba? So
But
here,
I hope you don't close your doors pa rin, if ever, di ba? Yes.
no, but she has to at night. Madaming magnanakaw. So she has to close her doors every evening. But don't close your doors to opportunities.
Yes. Asan siya?
Babe, where are you?
Yan pala siya. Alright, how are you feeling tonight?
Dalawa, di ba?
Hindi mo kaya dalawa?
Kaya niya yan. Kaya nga namin ni Joy eh. Charot. Kayo naman wala. Oh, sorry.
Ay. Marina Summers. There is only one question left for you. Do you feel like this is the question that will get you to top 5?
Yes.
Okay.
Short but sweet.
Please pick the last question.